If you've been driving through city intersections lately, you might have noticed something new mounted right on top of regular traffic lights. Literally, I just pulled over after spotting one of these camera setups at a red light. My quick disclaimer: the following content is for informational and educational purposes only. Always do your own research. Now, many people assume these are just standard traffic flow sensors or regular stoplights, but that is not the case. This is a major new hardware and software rollout called Axon Lightpost. That's AXON, and it's manufactured by Axon Enterprises, the tech giant famous for making police body cameras and taser devices. Axon partnered with smart city infrastructure company Ubiqua to create these surveillance units. Instead of building expensive new metal poles, digging up streets, or running wires, they use what is already there. These units simply twist into standard NEMA photocell sockets on top of existing streetlights and traffic signals. That 7-pin socket normally tells the lights when it gets dark outside. Now it supplies non-stop power and built-in LTE cellular service to high-powered AI cameras. Inside the housing units are commercial-grade Axis Q1800 license plate readers. I want to pivot real quick to ask if everyone would please take a second to subscribe to the channel right now and share the video with everyone you know, because knowledge is power and staying aware is how we keep ourselves and families safe. Now, they can read plates at speeds up to 155 miles per hour across multiple lanes, day or night. The software doesn't just read numbers. It uses vehicle attribute recognition. It logs the make, the model, color, and distinguishing features of every car passing through. All of that data is streamed directly into police systems like Axon Fusus in real time. Axon Fusus aggregates private business cameras, public street cameras, and plate readers into one map for law enforcement. These setups are currently being deployed in major metropolitan areas and suburban districts nationwide. Cities and police departments, they love them because they can be installed in under 15 minutes without costly permits. Officials say this network helps catch stolen vehicles, find missing persons, and solve violent crimes quickly. However, privacy advocates are raising serious red flags over mass surveillance. Unlike red light cameras that trigger only during a violation, these systems monitor everyone indiscriminately, 24/7, every commute, errand, and late night drive. It gets recorded and stored in a searchable database. Look up at the traffic lights the next time you're stopped at a red light. If you watched my deep dive on the flock cameras along our highways, this takes things a step even further. While Flock uses standalone solar poles, Axon is plugging directly into local city lights. I'll leave that Flock video linked on screen at the end so you can compare both of them. Now, have you noticed these small dome bar adapters on top of traffic lights in your area yet? Think about it. Is this smart public safety, or do we deserve to know who is watching our every move and why?